If you are into fine woodworking, this video is not for you. Hi, I'm Jesper. In this video I'm using mostly a chainsaw, an awfully big auger drill bit, a tenon cutter and a long dead rowan tree I found in my backyard. I'm also building a mystery tool to help me with a very specific task. This sawbuck is inspired by Mr. Chickadee. I don't know how he built it, but I'm guessing he drilled some holes into a log and hammered some branches into them. So that's basically what I'll attempt to do. First I'll need to source some wood for the build, and I have discovered some dead rowan trees by my lake. You may ask yourself, why haven't I heard of rowan trees? But you may actually know it if you have seen Harry Potter or Merlin. In Harry Potter, rowan wood was a prized wood for building wands due to its reputation for protection. The name rowan is derived from the Old Norse name for the tree, Ron. Rowan trees also plays a role in Merlin, where the rowan staff was carved from the rowan tree that grows at the very heart of the Isle of the Blessed. The wood is generally known for its protective and magical powers, so I think it's very suitable to build a sawbuck from it, and we'll see if it will protect me as well when I'm cutting my firewood on it. After I have taken one of them down, I cut a piece from the bottom I'll use as the middle piece of the sawbuck. And then I'll find some branches to act as legs and arms. Since this is rowan wood and I know its powers, I'll be making another tool secretly in the dark. More about that later. After I have sourced the basic materials, I get started on the joinery. I'll be using a round mortise and tenon joint, and they are very easy to make if you have a tenon cutter and a corresponding drill bit. I came up with the idea to use a ratchet strap to hold the logs while cutting the tenons, and it seems to be the best option so far. I use Japanese auger drill bits to drill a perfectly shaped round mortise, or a hole as I prefer to call it. I'm not that fancy. In this case I'm using a 2-inch tenon cutter and a 2-inch drill bit for the joinery. It really couldn't be easier. I'm using my marking axe and a chainsaw to do some micro adjustments, and woohoo, I have the base ready. During the night I'm working on my secret dark rowan wood tool. Shh, don't tell anyone. The next morning I'm mounting the arms on the body of the sawbuck.
What?
I'm actually just hammering branches into a log. The tenon cutter and the auger drill bit makes it easier than it sounds. I got a range of tenon cutters from the Canadian tool company Veritas, and I use them all the time. After some final minor adjustments, the rowan sawbuck is ready. What a beauty, if I do say so myself. Before I reveal my secret rowan tool project, I'll test the sawbuck and its protective powers. This sawbuck is very stable and very safe to work with, and I really couldn't be happier. Unless of course, if I could have the firewood stack itself in some kind of magical way. Guardian Leviosa.
Thousands of tears later.